All for Donbell. Dear Charo, na-joke ko ba? Hi, Belinda and Donato. I'm so grateful to be a fan of you guys. You're such a source of joy and inspiration. You guys kept my sanity during the pandemic. Keep smiling and shining. Praying for your continuous happiness. I named my second daughter Solana Isabel. Wow. God bless. Love.
May anak na pala si JK. Thank you, JK.
Thank you.
Solana Isabel. That's a great name, ah.
Ganda, no?
Salamat sa lahat ng suporta. And I think we feel the same way. During the pandemic, you were part of the reason why we were sane as well. Tsaka doon lumabas yung
Listen to her. That's where Donbell started. Yeah.
Darlene Marcos. Donbell has been an inspiration to many. I'm an avid fan of both of them. Hope to see both of them soon. Continue to be the light and sunshine to many. Continue to embrace your passion, to use your platform not only to entertain, but to give happiness and be one of the epitome of kindness, friendship, love, and respect. Donbell, beautiful inside and out, and hope na maramdaman nyo yung pagmamahal ko sa inyo through online. Hope to see you soon. Darlene, ramdam na ramdam namin.
Thank you,
maraming
Darlene. Thank you so much for writing this. You know, even just reading it now, we can really feel your love. So, sana po makasama namin kayo soon. And
We love you, Darlene.
all the love to you.
Sending you all the love in the world.
Hashtag Donbell para sa 2 taong nagpapakulay ng mundo natin. Narito ang isang mensahe mula sa puso ng isang loyal fan.
Proud na proud ako sa growth ninyo bilang individual artists dahil deserve niyong parehong
Sorry po.
mag-shine sa sarili niyong mga landas. Gayun pa man, grabe yung Tagalog ni Faye, ha? Tapat akong naghihintay at umaasa na ngayong 2026 ay muli tayong sorpresahin ng
Comeback
isang bigating comeback project. Looking forward ako sa panibagong kwento na magpapatibok muli sa puso ng buong Donbell fandom at magpapatunay ng inyong magic. Alam mo, Faye, yun din naman ang gusto namin na sa susunod na gagawin namin ni Belinda.
Yan nga po, we have a happy fan and it's something talaga po na talagang inaabangan